Simply put, life is busy. But did you know that spending 5 minutes out of your day to take and transmit a weather observation could save a life? Your single report of very slippery and hazardous conditions could mean all the difference for someone who is deciding whether they should drive or not. In this video, we want to help you learn how to take simple measurements and what methods you should use to transmit them to us.
Well, the obvious things would include severe weather, damage to property or injuries to people related to the weather, but also things like hailstones, even small hail, the size of a dime, nickel, those types of hail size reports are great. Any type of snow report is fantastic. It's great to know when it starts snowing, how much it's snowing, and visibility reduction. We like to know about heavy rain, if it's raining so hard you can't see across the street, winds that are causing damage on the trees or damage on homes, shingles. But even just a report that might seem like we should already know what's going on, something like it just started snowing but it's not really snowing heavy, is something we may not fully realize based on our mountain meteorology and how hard it is to see things on the ground from our perspective.
If you have a spare few minutes to measure the new snowfall, just grab a ruler, go outside to an open location away from your home and from objects, and if you have a small yard, the middle of the yard would be a good spot to probe. Take several measurements and give us an average amount. Let us know if there's blowing or drifting snow with the wind, and also report any ice accumulation, as this counts towards the total snow depth. Let's look at some snow terminology. New snow depth means it's the total snowfall that has fallen during the current storm. Total snow depth is the old snow plus the new snow depth. One of the most common problems that we have with snow reports is this. People give us these huge amounts of snow that they receive, but forget to factor in that some of that snow was from other storms. So let's look at this example. Snowmageddon reports, "We got 2 feet of snow here." And we, the Weather Service, ask, was all that snow from this current storm? And Snowmageddon's reply is, nope, we only got like 3 inches out of this storm. Another vital piece of information that we need to receive from you is, how are you being impacted by this storm? Are the roads slippery? When did the snow change to freezing rain? How tall and wide were the trees that came down as a result of the wind? You can tweet information and photos to us at NWS Missoula on the fly, and this can be very useful. One of the most useful tweets that we receive are the ones that include how much precipitation has fallen, where did it fall, the start and end times, and how it's impacting you or those around you. Let's click on Compose. So here are some examples. At NWS Missoula, I measured 12 inches of heavy snow in Libby since 2 a.m. this morning. 4 lodgepole trees with 12-inch diameters have fallen over my yard. And then the hashtag MTWX. Or at NWS Missoula, freezing rain at my place, and then you put a hashtag of your city. Very slippery with an estimated 0.2 thickness. Saw 3 cars go off the road down my street in the last 3 hours. And if you use hashtag IDWX, that'd be great for Idaho weather. Usually we will have an existing story displayed on the current storm on our Facebook page. You could easily comment on that story to give us your report. You could tell us where, how much has fallen, did you measure or estimate, and how the weather is impacting you. So another way to submit a report is to go to our online observation page. So go to our main page, weather.gov/MSO, and then go on the left side and you'll see Submit Report. Left click on that. And then you can put in event time, event day, what county you're in. You can say snow. How much did you get? 4 inches maybe. It lasted for maybe about approximately 5 hours. You can put your information in there, so it's totally voluntary. And then you review your report like this. You click on I have read and understand the notice, and then click on Submit Report. And lastly, another way you can contact us, you can give us a call at 1-800-676-6975 to give your report. If you don't get a person, just leave a message of your report, and if you'd like, you could leave your name, phone number, and so that we could call you back to get more information. So in summary, taking a weather measurement can be as easy as picking up a ruler or looking outside. Twitter, Facebook, webpage form, and phone are always ways that you can submit your reports. When reporting, provide us your location, elevation, start and end times, quantity of weather, and what the impacts were. And if you'd like more information on how to measure snow, you can go to the Kokoraz video on the side here. Here are the links to the other YouTube videos of this series. Click on this button to subscribe to our YouTube channel.